Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, June 11th. Well, there were numerous showers and thunderstorms in the Mid-Atlantic region yesterday as a warm frontal system passed through the region from the south to the north. There can be a few showers and thunderstorms during the midday hours and afternoon today, although it won't be nearly as widespread or numerous as the activity on Monday. However, there does appear to be another significant rain event headed into the Mid-Atlantic region for Thursday, as a vigorous low-pressure system will drop from the Midwest into the eastern states on Thursday, causing yet another round of significant rainfall here, and there is the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity associated with that strong low-pressure system on Thursday and Thursday evening. Things will get better as we close out the week and head into the weekend, but this overall active weather pattern certainly continues, and there are threats for more significant rainfall early and middle part of next week. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Here's that warm frontal system that kind of caused those numerous showers and thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor yesterday from D.C. to New York City, including some severe weather. There was some isolated tornadoes. A tornado touched down near Sykesville, Maryland late in the afternoon, early evening last night. And there's a weak cool front now moving into the Mid-Atlantic region with a little band of showers and thunderstorms in west central Pennsylvania that could cause a scattered shower or thunderstorm in the I-95 corridor during the midday or afternoon hours. Certainly nothing nearly as numerous as yesterday. But looking upstream, another strong system headed into the middle part of the country, and that cold front, all that will move to the east by about Thursday, causing the threat for more heavy rainfall here in the Mid-Atlantic region, and also the threat for some severe weather. Hot day today in the southern Rockies. In fact, it looks like a pretty hot week with temperatures way up in the 90s for the most part each and every day in the Denver, Colorado region. Pretty seasonal this time of the year along the west coast. LA recording their usual late night, early morning low clouds and fog with some afternoon clearing, and seasonable afternoon high temperatures near 70 degrees along the coastal regions. Well, here's the latest GOES infrared satellite loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Numerous showers and thunderstorms still exist off the east coast, and a little band right here seen here in west central Pennsylvania. We'll look at the radar in a moment. That's causing some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, nothing nearly as numerous as yesterday. There's some sunshine right now along the I-95 corridor, but certainly cannot rule out a midday or afternoon shower or thunderstorm. Meanwhile, upstream, quite active again here in the center part of the country, and this whole system right here heads to the east for Thursday and Thursday evening. Here's the current nationwide look at the radar. Numerous showers and thunderstorms up here in New England as that warm front continues to advance to the north. That's the area of rain that inundated the Mid-Atlantic region from New York down to Philadelphia and D.C. late yesterday and last evening. Here's a little band of showers and thunderstorms right now in west central Pennsylvania, working its way to the south and east. And again, there can be a shower or thunderstorm in the I-95 corridor between D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York during the midday and afternoon hours. And yet more rain upstream moving from west to east. And all of this heads into the eastern states by Thursday and Thursday evening with yet another threat for some heavy downpours. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps. But first, let's look at the current 500 millibar upper level pattern, because I want to show the similarities between yesterday's event and what's coming up on Thursday. This is the current 500 millibar. Notice this sharp trough right here in the eastern states, and this is all contributed to the heavy rainfall that occurred late yesterday and last night here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Now let's jump ahead to the forecast map from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run for Thursday afternoon. And here it is with quite a few similarities. A deepening upper level trough moving into the eastern states for Thursday afternoon and evening. Again, it looks like a repeat performance with potential heavy downpours on Thursday evening, and the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. Another sharp upper level trough upstream way off the west coast come Thursday afternoon, and this is suggestive of another heavy rain event in the eastern states early part of next week. Well, let's take a look at some surface map forecast by last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. This is for tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. Then we'll look at 12-hour increments going to Wednesday evening, Thursday morning, and Thursday night to focus in on that potential heavy rain event come Thursday and Thursday evening. By tomorrow morning, not much going on here in the Mid-Atlantic region. I cannot rule out a shower tomorrow, but for the most part, it'll be partly to mostly sunny and quite warm. Temperatures at or above 80 degrees. Here's a low pressure area starting to intensify over the middle part of the country come tomorrow morning. Let's now jump ahead to Wednesday evening. And here's the forecast map for Wednesday evening. Notice a little bit more precipitation put out here by the GFS model as opposed to the 12-hour period that we just showed, as this upper level feature kind of intensifies as it approaches the East Coast. There can be a few showers in the I-95 corridor come Wednesday evening, well ahead of the vigorous low pressure system. Actually, like another warm frontal system may be setting up to cause some showers. Nothing severe though for Wednesday evening, but then come Thursday we'll have to watch for potential severe weather. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday morning's forecast map. And here it is for Thursday morning. Quite a vigorous low pressure system for this time of the year, with a strong cold front to its south. It'll turn out to be quite a chilly rainfall north of this low pressure area, and then the potential for severe weather just to the south of the low pressure system on Thursday, and certainly there exists the threat for some more heavy downpours. Let's now jump ahead to Thursday evening. And here's the GFS model run forecast for Thursday evening. That low now at the Mid-Atlantic coastline with strong cool front to its south and lots of rainfall around the low pressure area and to its north. It should pull out of here by the time the weekend rolls around. Cannot rule out a shower or thunderstorm on Friday afternoon. It looks like the weekend will begin certainly on a dry note and pretty pleasant temperature-wise. High pressure here in the middle part of the country will build into the Mid-Atlantic region for much of the weekend, but there are more signs here of the active weather pattern continuing early next week. And perhaps by Sunday night or certainly by Monday or Tuesday, there'll be a threat for more rain here in the Mid-Atlantic region. So a lot going on, an active weather pattern, a potential heavy rain event Thursday evening, and that heavy rain event will carry the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity as well. And a possible shower or thunderstorm today during the midday and afternoon hours here in the Mid-Atlantic I-95 corridor. That's it for now. For the SI weather, I'm the meteorologist Paul Dorian.